Welp. Today marks 3 years since I started making emergency alert system videos. Well, at least the ones coming from my TV. Originally my parents' TV, but 2 years ago, but like I said, like a long time ago, 2 years ago, my parents gave me this room. So yeah, but that's besides the point. What matters in this video is that today marks 3 years since I've been making emergency alert system videos, at least from this TV, which is this TV. And yeah. Another another thing I like to say is, well, a couple days ago or maybe last week, my friend told me that the graduation date for the class of 2022 at my school is June 3rd, and it's at 2 p.m. So, yeah. I guess I got less than 3 months left until I graduate from high school. When it gets to April, it's gonna be 2 months left until I graduate from high school. Man, I'm excited. Anyways, this is Ryan Moore signing off. See ya.